mirrors too. You saw I saw you coming, so I went to the right instead of the left. I don't know how you guys don't do that non-mirror shit. If I comes up too fucking fast, it's scary, bro. Hey. The thing is, if you don't, so the problem with the wheelies, alright, let me give you a tip on wheelies, okay? If you don't bring it fast up, you have to chase the wheelie, and I have cars in front of me and I cannot chase the wheelie, right? Because if I chase the wheelie, I'm just gonna run. You know what I'm saying? Then I'm just gonna run into this fucking Honda Civic. So like in situations like that, you want to bring it up fast, right? Because you want to go slow. Because if I don't bring it up fast, then you're going too fast. That's why it's like, but it's scary. I'm not used to that bringing it up shit. So like once I get used to it, it'll be fine. Because at the end of the day, you got your rear brake, bro, to bring you right back down. Working, because if not, I'm gonna cry. Now, hopefully it sounds way better than the other microphone. At least it should. We're gonna hit a little bit of back roads, and then once we get tired of them, then we could jump on some highways. I haven't been swimming in so long either. It's nice over here. I'm telling you, bro, I don't get how bikers be like, oh, it's too hot to ride. That makes no sense to me mentally. I got a new microphone. There was a comment in one of my videos saying to show off the setup. So I might make a little setup video when I get home. That guy doing, bro? No signal, no nothing. You see that? You too! Who I got with me? Hey! Hey! What's getting dangerous? That guy picked up the tire on me. We're gonna do a nice little cruise. Hit a little couple back roads, and we're going to maybe hit the highway a little bit. See what we get into. Yeah. Like 12 to 6 and keep it there. I want to learn how to do slow wheelies, meaning I could let the bike like just cruise on one wheel. I want to learn how to, yeah, that's what I want to learn how to do. Once I learn how to do that, I'll probably quit doing it. Bro, there's people that do them like, they go like this. I don't know how they do that. They're crazy. The thing is, I feel like I'm doing too many chasings. Like, it's not chasing them, but technically it is chasing them. The thing with Cisco's bike is too that he has a lot of more rev space. So if you can. Maybe another thing is, maybe when I get another bike, and then this one will be my main bike, maybe I'll be more risky on it too. It's my only bike, bro, so I need to get the crossbars too. Or at least the ones that go here. I don't want them while I ride it mainly though. Like if I get another bike, then probably, because then they'll make it look ugly. I need to get another bike one day. I'm trying to get my H2. You know what I have never seen either? I have never seen a group of bikers. He said to pick it up. I got him. Oh shit, let me see what he's saying. I got you. I'll do one.
Alright, say less.
But what was I saying? I have never seen like a.
No, go in front.
I have never seen, go in front of him. I have never seen a like a biker group. You think he saw it or no? From behind me that I'm wheeling in it. But that rear brake saves you every time. Trying to get used to that shit. That right there is a chasey. I don't like chasing like that. That came up. That came up a little. What gear are you in? You'll get used to the timing. There's a certain timing on it where you know the power is gonna pick it up. But the clutch ups are easier because you can control how fast it goes. Right? Nice houses over here. I wish I had like a house with a barn like that so I could park my bike in it, bro. Use it every day. I promise you. Once I get a house, I'm using my bike every day. It's just yeah, like I don't have access to it like that, so it's hard to ride every day. But once I have access to it, bro, like I would love a little house like that, bro. Garage. Yeah, like it's there. I'm gonna go that way too. Right there I hit the rear brake to bring me down. Oof, you heard that pop? Loud, I heard that. Looked at him too, you saw that? God, that one felt good right there. Don't be surprised if my first YouTube check. Don't be surprised if I get some YouTube checks and instead of buying another bike, I buy a house instead. You think my subscribers will be mad at me? Says you dumb hoe, you got me feeling stupid. You got me singing all these love songs. What the fuck am I doing? I don't know what I'm I'm doing, but I'm going up though. I just hope I don't lose it. Bitches picking and choosing, but I know what's up though. I already been through it, you couldn't been balling together. Hit up the mothers, whatever. The way you made all of them jealous. You taught me forever and never. Even those look cool, those little tiny ones like that. They don't have to be the monster ones, you know? Ooh, what's that over there? You seen that? That looks nice over there. What the fuck? Bro, somebody is gonna buy that land. Somebody's gonna buy this land and build a whole bunch of houses. Watch. That's what that's built for right there. Look at that. They already put the road in the way. Look. You wanna go in there? New wheelie spot? Nah, bro. Way too high right there. Fuck that. This is the new wheelie spot right here. No dumping. You take notice. Make sure you put your right foot on the brake. If you go up too high, just push it down so you don't fall. That's just it. Always second, yeah. Hold up, hold up, let's turn around. You wanna do, on your bike, you wanna do like 30, 25, 30. What is this over here? You want to do like 30. In mine, I could do it like at 15. Well, don't worry about the leaning yet, right? Because you want to start picking up your tire first. I wouldn't worry about the leaning, because remember when I first started doing it, I was holding my bike like this, bro. Like I was staying like this, mad close up to my bike. But that's because I just started. Once you get used to bringing it up, then you can actually like start leaning back a little, like me now. Yeah, this is a nice spot right here. Let me ping this for us. You gotta, I'll do 15, 30 miles per hour. On mine. On mine. On mine you wanna go like 30, 25, 30. Like yours too, you wanna do 30. All the way down.